Login failed on Petal Card App Fix. You open your Petal Card app to check your available credit, and suddenly login failed. Don't worry. This is a common issue, with a few quick fixes that usually get you back on track in minutes. First, check your internet connection. Petal Card app requires a stable and secure connection to log you in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your phone's network settings. Next, make sure the app is updated. Petal frequently updates its security systems, and older app versions can lose compatibility. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for Petal, and tap Update if you see it. Now, re-enter your login details manually. Avoid autofill. Old saved passwords or small typos often trigger login errors. If it still doesn't work, hit Forgot Password to reset your credentials securely. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, double-check that you're entering the latest verification code. These codes expire quickly, and missing a few seconds can cause a login failure. Another fix that works wonders is clearing your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Petal Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove old session data. Also, disable any in or ad blocker. Petal servers may block mass DIP addresses to protect your data. If all else fails, visit Petal's official website to see if the login works there. Sometimes the mobile app experiences temporary downtime, even when your account is fine. So next time your Petal Card app says login failed, remember, update the app, clear your cache, and double-check your credentials. With a few quick steps, you'll be back to managing your card and payments in no time.